For my next video, I'd like to do one on the company Godox, G-O-D-O-X, and this is their Cube-SC Kit2. And it's a wireless lavalier microphone. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. This is a really, really neat microphone. You'll be extremely impressed with this. I used the previous Godox microphone, which I'll put a link in the description, and we can kind of compare and contrast. I'd appreciate it if you tell me how much better my voice sounds, if better or worse. But from what I've tested, it's much, much clearer. This box is upsetting me here already. I'm trying to keep all my boxes intact without destroying them. But I'm about ready to go into beast mode here. Hang on. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's cut that open. Okay, so here we have the QR code. That's for the software. There's actually software with it, which is pretty neat. And we have the instruction manuals. We have some stickers to put on the receivers if you want, little tiny receivers. And some troll candy. Instruction manuals, nothing really important. It's neat because it has an app that you can go through everything instead of having to figure out what setting it's on. The app does it all for you. Nice carrying container. Let's open it up. And inside we have a nice lanyard, which is cool because you can take the receiver and put it on the lanyard and put that around your neck instead of a clip, like a lanyard, a lavalier clip. We have the charging cable, USB A to C. And in the other pouch, we have the actual entire charging kit. As you can see, it's got 4 charges. And you click it to open it. There's the transmitter and the 2 small receivers. On the other side of the receiver, you'll see 3 pins when I turn this over. Hang on here. I want to make this very well and clear. On the other side of the transmitters, well, see, wait until I show that. So we have the wind guards, which I never use. I never do anything outside with them, but they're nice to have. Then you have an actual SIM ejector tool, probably for a reset. And then you have the actual clips make sure you take the plastic off of that. They're magnetic again. And like I said, on the receive settings, you'll notice that there's 3 buttons right there. Okay, you want to take the plastic off of that because if you don't, it's not going to make contact and charge. So that's really step 1, is to take that plastic off. The protection plastic, actually. So that is our unboxing. So let's get into the about the item next. So a little about the item. This is the Godox Cube-SC Kit2 wireless lavalier microphone for iPhone 15, Android, USB-C. It has an 8-hour battery life. Oh, also for tablets, I'm using it on a Samsung Tablet 9 Ultra. So anything with probably a USB-C input. It has a 2.4 gigahertz wireless mic. The range is 300 meters or 1,000 feet. It has noise canceling with charging case for vlogging, TikTok, and of course YouTube. So it comes with an app that has different levels of noise cancellation. So we want to go over the noise cancellation. This is about the 4th time I've done this now, because every time I go into the app, it closes the recorder. So anyway, this is the strongest in noise cancellation setting. I have my volume set to 4. You can see a picture. I'm going to include a picture of the battery level and the noise, and I have the amplifier setting to on. So this is the strongest noise setting. So let's go ahead and we'll put it to the weakest setting. So this is the weakest setting. Okay, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have it close, which I assume means off. So testing 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go back to strong. So there's strong, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. So hopefully there's a bit of a big difference there. There should be. So in the past, I've used another Godox unit called the Magic XT1 wireless lavalier microphone. So I'm going to give you a link to that, and maybe if you could click that, tell me how I sound and versus how I sound with this one, and if there's any difference. I personally like them both. This one I prefer a little more than the other one, just simply because of its size, and it's got multiple levels of noise cancellation. It seems like a little bit nicer one, but the other one is excellent. They're both, if I had to pick, I wouldn't. I'd say I want them both. So, but let's go into some more tech specs about this thing, because this is really neat. So we have a compatible with USB-C Android devices with USB-C receiver. The Godox Cube-SC Kit2 is compatible with multiple devices such as smartphones, tablets, etc. Small and portable, the microphone transmitter weighs only 7 grams with strong magnetic attachment for a light and secure fit that won't fall off during movement. The pull-out design charging case weighs just 49 grams, is lipstick size, ultra compact, and easy to carry around. It's a 48 kilohertz, 24-bit high-res audio crafted with superior acoustic engineering. The Cube-SC Kit2 shows premium audio performance with an impressive 48 kilohertz, 24-bit sampling rate, greater than 70 decibel SNR, and a maximum of 115 decibel SPL. The maximum 300 meter wireless range, that's 1,000 feet, 2.4 gigahertz wireless frequency with a maximum 1,000 feet transmission range. Distance won't limit your creation anymore. Remote photo control in the shooting mode on your phone. Double tap the square mic control. Switch to control video recording or taking photos. With stable control up to 50 meters, you can shoot on the go without bothering passerbys. Intelligent noise cancellation powered by advanced audio treatment technology. It also offers one-press noise reduction to ensure top-notch recording quality by minimizing unwanted ambient noise. The attached foam windscreen can also effectively reduce unnecessarily noise for you, such as possible friction between the skin and clothes. Ready for all-day creation. It can only after one time full charging. The transmitter can run for 10 hours with the case. For 2 additional chargers, the system supports a total of 30 hours recording. The app is very nice. It's to be able to use with it. It's very convenient. When paired with the Godox app, users can easily adjust various settings for optimal sound customization, real-time monitoring, volume adjustment, dual tone DNR, instant speaker playback, and firmware updates. It's another nice thing. I don't have an Apple. I do, but I prefer my Samsung. But it's compatible with the Apple Find Me app. So the Cube-SC Kit2 allows you to use the Find My app to keep track of your mic at just a glance. No worries about it falling off. Enjoy carefree creation from now on. So that is my video on the Godox Cube-SC Kit2. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.